3 rounds in the UFC division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This is a Valley Judo fighter holding a professional record of 18 wins with 1 loss. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of that as a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 24 wins with 7 losses. And when the action begins, our referee calling to the octagon is Mario Yamasaki.
Stalking, very confident, patient, picking his shots for that heavy hand. Uppercut. You don't see a lot of feints. He kind of wades in and looks for openings and throws big bombs, but he doesn't fake a lot. He's circling towards his left, which is his power side. As he goes towards his left, he runs into the big right hand of and that's what his coach didn't want. That's it. And that's what he had to worry about. He was circling towards that direction. He ran right into the big right hand. He is still out cold. And knocked out for the first time in his career. Wins here tonight. Let me tell you something. Don't ever sleep on. People think just because he's done. Is an animal. It's on top of him. Bam! Now is sitting up and he's asking what happened. He has no idea what happened.